What's good, guys? It's me again, back here with another video. And as you can see, the lighting outside is popping. I just got 3 new deliveries, so let's get straight into it. The main one is why you're all watching, is this one here for the Jordans. I don't know if you watched the other video where I smashed my tripod, so I'm pretty sure this is a tripod. This won't be open on this video, but if you guys want me to, I've got a fitness channel, but I haven't uploaded anything on it. But recently, I've been bagging out gym, I've been buying supplements, I've been motivated, I've been on it. So if you want a separate video on some bulk powder supplements that I use, or workout routines or whatever, if you think that would be worth me doing, just leave a comment down below and I'll do a video over that. Otherwise, let me just open up the tripod. See, we came prepared. See, I undone that strap before I started recording, so I wouldn't fail and smash my phone. So we've got this one, what is it? The Grip-Tight Gorilla Pod, which seems to, I mean, it should do the job, so let's see. Now let's get, see, so I was smart enough to do the release on this, but I didn't open that box, or the main one for the unboxing. So I don't know if that's still a, it's a partial W and a partial L, but anyway, just give me 1 second. So I've got the tripod. So yeah, this is what we're working with, so I imagine I've got to take that out. That's that. And then let me just screw that on. Hold on. It should not be that hard to fasten this on. I don't know what's going on. Oh wait, hold on. I think we got it. There we go. We've got it. We've got it. So hold on. Right guys, so we managed to sort out the camera and the tripod, or my phone and the tripod. So if you want a review on this one, by the way, if you're just starting out on YouTube and you want a review on that to see if it's any good, it's cool. I bought it on Amazon for £13, so let's just get into this one. Let me just take out all the receipts and that. So guys, this is what it looks like on the inside of the packaging once I've taken out all of the paperwork, etc. Alright, let me just take it out. Sorry, I was just messing around with the... trying to get the best view possible when I was messing around with the tripod. So, as you may or may not tell by the box, it is a Jordan 3. You've got the elephant print, classic black Jordan box. You've got the Nike Air Soul Jumpman, all the detailing here. Nike 1 Bowerman Drive, Beaverton, Oregon, USA, where the headquarters is. And here we go. We have UK 9, Europe 44, size 10, Air Jordan Retro 3, OG, colorway black, fire red, cement grey, noir, grease cement, and rouge faux. So let's do this. I'll just move this a bit back so you get a better view. There we go. And this, if I'm not mistaken, should say Nike Air on the back, which is what I'm most looking forward to. And look at them in all their glory. I'm starting to get excited as soon as I open the box and I've seen them. And there we go, you've got the elephant print tissue paper, by the way, which thought it would re-debut itself. Let's just get these straight out. I mean, just look at them. These again, they're coming out. They've done a pre-release on Nike in the UK here 2 days ago on the 7th, and it was just via the sneakers app. So I managed to cop a pair. I'm hoping, I'm looking to cop a couple pairs. It's not this, it's next week, Saturday, I'm sure. They're re-releasing to the general public. A full release, all Nike retailers. Let me just get rid of the box so we can get right into the shoes. Sorry guys, I don't know, when I attach the tripod it kept clicking and cutting out, doing its own thing. Yeah, now that it's stabilised, let's get straight into it. So, let's see what my first impressions are. Anyway, let's go straight to the back. The first thing that I've noticed immediately is that you see the Nike Air tab is much wider and truer to the original. Because if you see, I don't know, what's the last Air Jordan 3 before there was the whole... Because I think a couple years back, either 2016 or 2015, somewhere around then, Nike announced that they were going to stop manufacturing Air Jordan 3s because of the complaints they received, because of fit, leather quality. The main issue was with the Jordan 3s, so they recalled them, and I guess they just went right back to the drawing board to make them look and feel as much like the OG as possible. Now, I can already notice that on this tab, because I'm sure if you guys go back and look at the Jordan ones with the Jumpman on the back, you will notice that this tab is not as wide or as thick as it is here. So you've got Nike Air, just a tab, and I don't know if you can see, if you can pick up on the camera. I'm not sure if you can, but it has a kind of sheen, like a shimmery effect. Which again, I don't own a pair of the originals, but I've just seen them, and I'm not sure, I'm pretty sure on the originals it's matte black, but here it's like a sheen, I don't know, it's a shiny black, it's matte, but it has like a sheen effect to it. Like I said, the back looks much wider and truer to the OG. The tab, solid, you've got the perforated grey black leather here. Perforated leather. Got the what's it called? I've completely forgotten what the inside of the... You guys know what I'm talking about. It's just grey and red on the inside here. You've got, I don't know if you can tell, yeah, you should be able to tell there. It says Nike Air on the insole. I mean guys, the quality seems on this side, the tumbled leather, the quality seems quite good actually. And even the single grain, yeah, it feels quite good to be fair. And you can see here it's quite a thin cut of the overlay here. Again, actually, even with with the tumbled leather, it's quite a thick cut. You've got the elephant print backing. It's just in all its glory. I mean, I love this shoe. This like is a staple for a sneakerhead. The classic triple black, not triple black. What am I talking about? The Jordan 3 cement in the black colorway. It's classic. The white colorway, the true blues. I mean, that's trifecta right there. Let's go straight to the sole. You've got, there's not really much to talk about, guys. If you're familiar with the Jordan 3, if you're familiar with the history of the Jordan brand, and you're a fan of Jordan and basketball, you'll be familiar with the things I'm talking about here. Black laces, perforated leather. The only other thing that I point out is the tongue. It's quite low down. Now, if you guys notice, that used to be the main thing that people would identify fakes versus the original, whereas the real ones, the real tongues on most of the Jordans, I'm not sure if this is like unanimous across all Jordan silhouettes or if it was mainly the 4s, because I know the 4s was where it was mainly identified, but I'm not sure if it was like it applied to all Jordans. But the tongues here look quite low, so then I'm sure there's going to be hundreds of fakes produced when these re-release next week. So I'm not sure how they're going to differentiate between, obviously there's ways to do it, but another thing, I don't know if you guys can tell, or maybe it's just me, that Jumpman there looks much slimmer than that Jumpman there. And then the tongue also looks like it's a bit more raised here than it is on that shoe. But overall, like I said, the quality of the leather is quite good. I'm just glad to see these back in all their glory. I'm looking forward to grabbing a couple pairs next week, just to beat up. I hope they bring back the white cements, because I can't remember when the 88s released, and I'm not sure if the white cements released with a Nike Air on the back that wasn't an 88. But yeah, I'm just looking forward to having the Jordan 3s back in rotation, easy access, etc., and all that good stuff. If there's anything else that I missed out, or that you want to add, or that you want to, I don't know, like I said, you want to add or comment, make sure you leave a comment down below, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And tell me what else, if there's any other future cops that you want me to unbox and review, or if you want a separate review on feet, all that kind of stuff, just let me know. Have a good one, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.